Ladies and gentlemen, two things are happening in this video. This is called black eye white beans, right? It's not peeling. I soaked this overnight, like full day. It didn't peel. I could not peel it. And I wanted to make moi moi and akara. Guess what? I went on. I started blending it like that with the skin. I said, let me try it and see the outcome because I didn't want to cook the beans. I just wanted to make moi moi. I wanted to make moi moi and akara. But for today, I'll only make moi moi because I want to try out this thing, what it looks like. Okay, so I put it in my blender and then also got ready my tatashi and my red pepper, that's habanero pepper. Washed it and got them ready. And I went on to blend my beans. Just watch me. I blended everything. I'm blending the skin, the beans, everything together. So this is what I did. Then I added my tatashi. I added my pepper, and also added my onions. Oh, I hope this turns out well. Well, I continue blending. Come on, while you watch. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Join me in this my adventure to see the result. Remember to like, share with your friends, and as soon as I finished blending it, I poured it out in a container to mix the remaining ingredients. So this is the bowl that I had. I poured everything in it, mixed it thoroughly. You can see what it looks like. You could see all those black spots, right? Those are the black eyed beans, the skin. Because I couldn't peel it off, I had to blend everything together. But let's go. I added my crayfish and I mixed it thoroughly. After that, I added my salt, 1 spoon of salt. So it depends on the quantity of the beans, so you know how many spoons you add. So I added 1 spoon of salt to taste. Afterwards, I added my ginger. You can see ginger and garlic. I just added that, mixed it together. That flavor is very good in moi moi. Then I added my minced meats with the other ingredients that I needed to use in my moi moi, and I mixed everything together. Oh my wow, this is gonna get tasty at the end of the day. So this is my palm oil. I use palm oil this time. I usually use like vegetable oil, but today I wanted to use palm oil because it seems to be darker, so I just wanted to brighten it up, right? Brighten up the look at the end of the day. So that's why I added palm oil. Yeah, some people still prefer that, but usually I use my vegetable oil, but today I use that. Then guess what, the second thing happening in this video is I'm baking the moi moi. People say you can bake moi moi, so I'm trying out today with this my new mixture of blending both the skin and the beans together. So I'm baking, guys. I'm baking my moi moi. Oh my word, first time I'm trying that. Let's see how it turns out. Who is with me? Do you bake your moi moi? Well, I'm trying for the first time. So in the oven, you put like a baking tray and pour water in it. The reason you're doing this is to retain moisture, when your moi moi is baking, so it doesn't burn on the side of the moi moi pan. Remember, we're baking, so you put that baking tray on top of that pan that you put already in the oven. So that is it. So you cover it and we're going to bake it for 1 hour 30 minutes or more because it's a big one. So I'm testing it now. Wow, it's already baked since after 1 hour 30 minutes, and this moi moi is baked. Oh wow, a baked moi moi. Amazing. I was even worried whether it's gonna cook, and this is it, my people. Baked moi moi. So this is what it looks like after baking. I hope you will try it too. This is what it looks. Come on. Wow, it didn't even burn. Just look at it. Remember that water? It preserved it from burning. See, there's no burnt at all. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. It's not even hard. It's soft also. Wow. It worked, my people. What do you think? And the skin didn't matter anymore. Wow. What do you think? Thank you for watching.